So do you know whom I'm going out with today? She's a famous pink queen, Kitten SERA. She's my really good friend and I love her so much. She's always one of my biggest inspirations. I'm celebrating her birthday today. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So me and Kitten are going to pink tea room together. We're gonna have so much fun. We are having Barbie Kitten, are you ready?
I'm ready!
So we are here.
Yay!
Rose and black.
We're gonna have pink tea.
I'm so glad I'm coming back here. Cute. So pretty. Is that birthday bouquet for you?
Oh no, but it's mine. It's mine now.
Okay. We're gonna pick teacup. Kitten, what's your teacup? Which one?
What's sweet? I'm picking my teacup. She has it. There's no more like it. It's one of a kind, just like me. Actually, this is really cute too. So do you want this one?
Yeah, any
pink
one.
This one. Or do you want this one? Tell me when.
Pink tea from Pink Teapot. So pretty.
Oh my gosh!
Wow, how cute! Yay!
It's a pink flower on this side.
We had a great time!
We had so much fun!
How's your birthday this year?
It was beautiful because it was a Barbie.